Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MATLAB class. So today I would like to post one more project in the field of digital image processing. So before going for code execution, just go to my YouTube page, subscribe my channel, like my all the videos and share my all the videos. Thank you so much. Now just open MATLAB and click on run button. It will open one graphical user interface. Okay, so this is the main graphical user interface of code. Now just click on first button, that is select image. Before that I would like to tell you the title of the code, that is disease detection from fingernail. So just click on first button, that is select image button. It will open current folder, and from current folder you have to choose the test file or test image of fingernail. Now I'm going to select first image from fingernail. So okay, now it's loading now. Okay, I'm going to select second image, that is fingernail image. Just click on open button. That image will display over this axis, and we can find out the disease from fingernail. Okay, so this is my input image from database. Now just click on second button, that is parameter calculation. Now I am having various parameter in the output. So this is my Gaussian image, this is my feature graph, just close the graph, and this is my segmented image. Now these are the various output parameters. So first parameter that I have calculated is PSNR, peak signal to noise ratio. The value is 91.05. The value for second parameter, that is MSC, is equal to 6.50. The structural content is 1.0035. The value of minimum difference is 34. The value of average difference is 0.3438. The value for NAE, that is normalized absolute error, is 0.0019. The value for signal to noise ratio is 37.45. The value of BIOI is 0.00014. The value for contrast is 0.1323. The value for entropy is 6.59. The value for correlation is 0.99, and the value for homogeneity that I am getting is 0.93. So these are the various output parameters. Now just click on classify button. It will classify the disease from fingernail. So my status bar is showing that affected with liver disease. So this fingernail or this particular person is affected with liver disease. Now just click on OK. Just click on clear all button. It will clear all the content from GUI. Now we are going for second image. So just click on select image button and just select second image, infected image from database. Just click on parameter calculation. This is my feature graph. Just close this graph. This is my Gaussian image and segmented image. Now just click on classify button. It will classify the disease. This particular person is affected with liver disease. Now just click on OK. Clear all. Now I'm going for third person or third fingernail image. Open. Click on parameter calculation. This is my Gaussian image, segmented image, feature graph, and these are the various output parameters. Now just click on classify button. This particular person is affected with anemia disease. Now just click on OK. Clear all once again. Now I am going for next image from test database. Okay, just click on open button. Now just click on second button, that is parameter calculation. It will calculate various parameters. This is my feature graph. Close this graph and just click on classify button. It will classify the disease. So status bar is showing us it is normal nail, no disease found. So this person is a normal person, there is no disease found. Just click on OK. Click on clear all. Now I'm going for next image from database, test database. Click on open button, parameter calculation, and just click on classify. So this person is affected with heart disease. Now these are the various parameters we have seen, and these we can call it as the output parameters. Now just click on OK, just click on clear all, and we are going for closing this graphical user interface. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want such kind of more videos in digital image processing, then just go to my YouTube page, subscribe my channel, like my all the videos, and share my all the videos. If you want this project code, then just message me on WhatsApp on given number, or just mail me on my mail ID on given mail ID. Thank you so much.